Emcure Pharma IPO shares made stock market in July 2024, strong listing gain made. Emcure Pharmaceuticals Limited is an Indian multinational pharmaceutical company, headquartered in Pune. Emcure's product portfolio includes tablets, capsules, and injectables. In 1981, is a homegrown pharmaceutical company globally markets a wide range of pharmaceutical products across several major therapeutic areas. The company has 13 manufacturing facilities across Pan-India. The company produces gynecology, cardiovascular, HIV antivirals and other anti-infectives, and vitamins and minerals. Shares of Emcure Pharma were commanding a grey market premium of Rs 390 to 400 on the last day of the bidding for the issue, before the allotment was announced. This suggests a listing pop of around 30. Pune-based Emcure Pharma was open for bidding July 3 and July 5. The drug and pharma company offered its shares in the price band of Rs 960 to 1008 apiece with a lot size of 14 shares. The company raised a little more than Rs 1,952 crore via a sale of Rs 800 crore and an offer for sale OFS of up to 7936,507 shares. The issue was overall subscribed a stellar 67.87 times. The quota for qualified institutional bidders QIBs was booked a whopping 195. Was subscribed 48.32 times. The portions reserved for retail investors and employees saw bidding for 7.21 times and 8.81 times, respectively during the 3-day bidding process. Emcure Pharma, a leading player in the pharma market, is set for a stop of around 35 to 37% over the issue price, Shivani Niyati, head of wealth at Swastika Investmart. This further aligns with the impressive subscription of 67.87 times, showcasing immense investor confidence, she said. Grey market and initial public offering IPO are traded in an unofficial market before they are listed on the stock exchange. The market is called grey because it operates outside the formal regulatory framework of the stock exchanges. GMP can provide insight into how an IPO might perform when it lists at Rs 1000, and the GMP is around Rs 20, the IPO might list at approximately Rs 1020. GMP can also indicate the demand for an IPO in the market. However, GMP is not always reliable and the grey market can be volatile, so Pharmaceuticals raises Rs 583 crore from anchor investors ahead of IPO. Pune-based Emcure Pharmaceuticals has attracted significant interest from institutional investors, raising Rs 582.6 crore via an anchor book launched for a day on July 2. July 3, while the last day will be July 5. Marquee global investors including Abu Dhabi Investment Authority, Goldman Sachs, and Morgan Stanley bought more than Rs 71 crore worth of shares of the company from the anchor book. The pharmaceutical firm informed exchanges that it has finalized the allocation of these shares to anchor investors at Rs 1008 per equity share. In addition, several mutual funds houses including SBI, HDFC, ICICI Prudential, White Oak Capital, Aditya Birla Sun Life Trustee, Axis, Kotak, Nippon Life Nara Robico, and Motilal Oswal also participated in the anchor book. The company's profit after tax PAT declined by 6.1% to Rs 527 crore in FY24 from Rs 561 crore in FY23. Emcure Pharmaceuticals pharmaceutical products across various major therapeutic areas. Emcure launched knockoff of ICICI's cancer drug Halaven at 40% lower price in India during April 2019. Emcure Pharmaceuticals, on April 4 said it had launched the world's first generic version of for the treatment of metastatic breast cancer MBC at a price that is 40% cheaper than the innovator brand. Emcure will be marketing the drug under the brand name Arabilan. The Pune-based company is offering Arabilan at Rs 19,000 per vial, translating to around Rs 3 lakh for a full 1,880 per vial, charging roughly about Rs 5 lakh. Emcure said it is planning to capture 25% of the current market share held by the innovator through the launch. The company will market the drug in India. However, it will start registering the brand in and has no product patent in India but is covered by process patents. Emcure is confident of overcoming any patent challenge by the innovator, as it claims its version is developed through a non-infringing process. To be sure, Eisai follows a tiered pricing strategy in India for Halaven, MRP. In addition, it offers the drug for free or at a highly subsidized price to eligible patients under its patient assistance program. Halaven figured in the list of 42 cancer drugs, whose trade margins were capped at 30% by NPPA in February 2009. Emcure signed license agreements with Bristol-Myers Squibb for Atozanavir 11 and Gilead Sciences for Tenofovir as part of their global access programs. 12. In 2012, Roche signed a deal with Emcure for manufacturing its blockbuster anti-cancer drugs Herceptin and Ram. The cancer drugs shall be made available to the developing world at an affordable cut-price version. 14. In 2013, Emcure established a health foods venture in partnership with cricketer MS Dhoni, and Dhoni was signed up as Emcure's brand ambassador. Blackstone sold its 13% stake in Emcure to Bain Capital. 16. In 2021, Emcure demerged its US-based business, including subsidiary Heritage Pharmaceuticals, into a new company called Abbott Life Sciences. 1. This is the list of manufacturing facilities based in India. 18. Solid dosage facility at Hinjawadi. In 2006, Emcure received US FDA approval for its solid dosages facility at Hinjawadi, Pune. The plant manufactures solid oral formulation. Small volume parenteral facility at Hinjawadi, US FDA, UK MHRA approved. Has lyophilization and PFS capability. Oncology injectable facility at Hinjawadi. Solid orals facilities at Jammu and Bosari. AP Biotech facility at Hinjawadi. R&D center at Gandhinagar and plant at Sanand, Ahmedabad. Sanand facility is US FDA approved. US plant. Edit. USA. The company has a manufacturing facility and R&D center in 18.